Hello friends, welcome to Head or Tail. How to product or multiply of two matrices in maths. What is matrix? Simple definition is the arrangement of numbers in row and column is called matrix. For example, matrix M. We have first row, second row and third row. First column, second column and third column. So this is the matrix 3 row and 3 column. The size of matrix is 3 by 3 m into n. So example matrix A. So 2 1 4 is first row, 1 3 3 is second row, 8 5 2 is third row. Example of matrix B. 2 1 8 is first column, 5 8 5 is second column, and row 2 5 first row, 1 8 second row and 8 5 third row. So this matrix is size 3 by 2, means 3 row 2 column. The matrix A size is 3 by 3, 3 row 3 column, and matrix M size is 3 row 3 column. So how to calculate the size of matrix? Count the number of rows and columns in matrix. The representation of matrix is square and round brackets. Order of matrix and element. Order of matrix. We can represent any matrix like M equal to in square bracket, then inside M of ij, M cross n, means we can represent the matrix. So example, the matrix A, the representation is A matrix equal to square bracket A of ij and 3 into 3, 3 by 3 matrix. The other example is matrix B, square bracket Bij and 3 into 2 matrix, means 3 row 2 column matrix. So matrix B is representation. Now what is the element notation in matrix? So matrix element we can identify by n to 1. N to 1 means second row first column value. N3 2 means third row second column value. This is so example of matrix element is A32 equal to third row and second column value, which is equal to 5. The blue arrow is showing. The position of 1 is A21 equal to second row first column value equal to 1. Now next, how to product or multiply of matrix. So rule of product of matrix is total column of matrix M equal to total row of matrix B. So below the matrix example, 3 row and 3 column matrix M, and matrix B has 2 column and 3 rows. So the notation is showing M equal to M of ij in square bracket 3 by 3 and B equal to square bracket B of ij 3 by 2. So check the rule. Matrix M equal to 3 columns 1 2 3 and matrix B equal to 3 rows 1 2 3. So M cross B is done. Matrix multiplication is okay. Now check the reverse. B cross M equal to not okay. Reason, so B matrix B two columns 1 or 2, and matrix M 3 row 1 2 3. So column and row both are not equal, so B cross M is not possible. Now what is the process of multiplication of single element of both matrix? So check the first row first element. The first row first element is first row of each element of matrix M multiply first column of each element of matrix B, then add. So take the example. So M11 multiply B11, then M12 multiply B21 plus M13 multiply B31. So first, second, third. The another element is M11 multiply B12 plus M21 multiply B22 plus M13 multiply B32. This is for first row first and second element. Now next second row first element. So second row first element is M21 B11, M21 B11, M plus M22 B21, M22 B21 plus M23 B31, M23 B31. This is the second row first element. Now second row second element, M21 into B12 plus M22 into B22 plus M23 into B32. So this is the second row second element. Same lies third row third element. Third row first and second element. Next, product of matrix example. Product. So first we check the rule of product of matrix. So total column of matrix A equal to 2 column and matrix B equal to 2 row. So the rule is okay. So A multiplied by B is okay. The second, again we check the cross. Matrix B equal to 2 columns and matrix A equal to 2 row. So B cross A is also okay because the size of the both matrix are same. It is 2 by 2. So in representation, so matrix A equal to square bracket A of ij 2 by 2 and matrix B representation equal to B equal to square bracket Bij of 2 by 2. Now check the process of multiplication. So the nth row of each element of matrix A multiply nth column of each element of matrix B, then add. So first row first element. So 1 multiplied by 3 plus 2 multiplied by 1. This is the first row first element. First row second element. 1 multiply 4 plus 2 multiply 6. This is second element. Now second row first element, 3 multiply by 3 plus 0 multiply 1. This is second row first element. Second row second element, 3 multiply 4 plus 0 multiply 6. Now the value is 3 plus 2, 4 plus 12, 9 plus 0, 12 plus 0 equal to 5, 16, 9, 12. So 2 by 2. So this matrix multiplication done. Now take the next example of another matrix. So we have two matrices here, matrix A and matrix B. So matrix A, the size is 3 by 3 and matrix B, the size is 3 by 2. The notation of matrix is A equal to square bracket A of ij 3 by 3 and notation of B matrix is B equal to B of ij 3 by 2. Check the rule. matrix A equal to 3 columns and matrix B equal to 3 columns, 3 rows, sorry. So A multiply B is okay. Now check the reverse. B multiply is okay, B multiply A is okay, not okay. Matrix B equal to 2 columns and matrix A equal to 3 rows. So column and row are not equal. Let's check the A multiply B process. So first row, first element. So 3 multiply 2 plus 1 multiply 1 plus 4 multiply 4. This is the first element of first row. Second element of first row, 3 multiply 1 plus 1 multiply 3 plus 4 multiply 2. This is the second element. Now second row first element, 5 multiply 2 plus 2 multiply 1 plus 2 multiply 4. This is second row first element. Second row second element, 5 multiply 1 plus 5 multiply 3 plus 5 multiply 1 plus 2 multiply 3 plus 2 multiply 2. This is the second element of second row. Same like third row first element, 4 multiply 2 plus 1 multiply 1 plus 3 multiply 4. Now third row second element, 4 multiply 1 plus 1 multiply 3 plus 3 multiply 2. This. Now total of the first element, 6 plus 1 plus 16. Second element, 3 plus 3 plus 8. Second row first element, 10 plus 2 plus 8. 5 plus 6 plus 4. 8 plus 1 plus 12 and 4 plus 3 plus 6. So the element 23, 14, 20, 15, 21, 13. So 3 by 2 matrix multiplication. Size. So nth row of each element of matrix A multiply nth column of each element of matrix B, then add. Now tell summary. Finally, we learned product of matrix, then intro about matrix. In intro, we learned order of matrix, matrix representation, and element of matrix. Hope tutorial will help to understand the basic of matrix and product rule of matrix. Thanks to watch head or tail.